Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Learning with New Minds. Guys, today we are going to start our new topic transportation. Okay, so we have studied previous topics, which is respiration and the previous topics heterotrophic nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, and what is life processes, right? So now today we are going to start transportation in human beings. If you didn't see our previous videos, so please go and watch them, and I'm also giving the link in the description. Okay, so you can go through it. Okay, so now start the transportation in humans. Okay, so basically transportation in humans. Let me go through you that what is transportation. Transportation basically हमारा एक तो कार बाइक ये सब होता है जिससे हम लोग ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, राइट? बट इन आर बॉडी, हमारी बॉडी में तो कोई कार बाइक नहीं है, राइट? देयर आर नो व्हीकल्स इन आवर बॉडी. सो अ ब्लड is the transportation in our body. Blood does the transportation in our body. Okay, so let me give you a brief about blood. Okay, so basically blood is a fluid connective tissue. Okay, what? Blood is a fluid connective tissue that circulates in a closed system, right? Our body is a closed system. So blood is a fluid connective tissue that circulates in a closed system of blood vessels. Okay. Blood consists of what? Blood consists? Blood consists liquid, fluid, plasma. Okay. Or we can say fluid medium, which is plasma. Right. And it also consists solid red blood cells. Okay, and white blood cells and blood platelets. Okay, and how many liters of blood we have? Any idea? Let me know in the comment section, guys. So basically adults have 5 to 6 liters of blood. Okay, so I used a word here, plasma. So basically what is plasma, guys? Plasma is a straw colored liquid in, okay, plasma is a straw colored liquid with 92% water. Okay, it transports food, carbon dioxide, and nitrogenous waste. That's all. Okay, so basically, blood is a fluid connective tissue. Blood consists of fluid medium called plasma, in which the cells are suspended, right? Plasma transported what? Food, carbon dioxide, and nitrogenous waste. Okay. Oxygen is carried by red blood corpuscles. Now, basically, now we get to know that oxygen is carried by red blood corpuscles. But what is red blood corpuscles? Any idea? Let me know in the comment section. So basically, I'll tell you ahead what is red blood corpuscles. Okay, but let I will let you know that many other substances like salt. Okay, many other substances like salts are also transported by the blood. Is this amazing, guys? Many other substances like salt are also transported by blood, right? So basically, what is red blood corpuscles? Guys, red blood corpuscles is RBCs, which is red blood cells, WBCs, which is white blood cells, and we have platelets also. So basically, what is red blood cells? RBCs. So RBCs, guys, they have iron containing respiratory pigment. What? Plasma have, sorry, plate, what? RBCs, red blood cells have an iron containing respiratory pigment, which is hemoglobin. Okay, now what a hemoglobin is used in our body? So basically hemoglobin helps in transport oxygen. Okay, so basically what is RBCs? RBCs have RBCs have an iron containing respiratory pigment, which is known as hemoglobin, which helps to transport O2. Okay, clear. Now what is WBCs? White blood cells. Guys, white blood cells ingest and destroy bacteria. Okay, and prevent the spread of infection. Okay, now what is platelets? Platelets helps in clotting of blood. We will learn it about in okay, हम लोग इसको और अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे in brief. Okay, so if you know the need of pumping organ to push blood around the body is very important, right? So a network of tubes to reach all the tissues and a system in a place to ensure that this network be repaired if damaged. Okay, so now move ahead. So now we have our let me tell you first that this is artery. Arteries of red contains red blood cells, which is oxygenated blood, and this is vein, which contains deoxygenated blood, or we can say carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, this is artery. It is very thick walled. Okay, ये बहुत ज्यादा थिक वॉल की होती है क्योंकि इसमें बिकॉज गाइस इसमें जो रेड ब्लड सेल्स है वो बहुत प्रेशर से आते हैं. ओके, एंड इन दिस वेन्स नॉर्मल होता है इसमें, और इसकी जो वॉल है इट इज नॉट ऑल्सो वेरी थिक. ओके, एंड कैपिलरीज को हम लोग एंड में अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स प्रोसीड. So basically guys, our heart, our pump, the heart. So many of you thought that our heart is in our left side of our chest, right? हम बहुत लोगों को लगता है और आपको भी लगता होगा कि जो हमारा हार्ट है वो चेस्ट के राइट सॉरी लेफ्ट साइड में होता है, राइट? बट यू गाइज आर रॉन्ग. Yes, you guys are wrong. Surprising, na? Actually, your heart is in center of your chest. It's amazing, na? Our heart is in our center of our chest, between the lungs. These are lungs, and our heart is in the between of it. So why we, why we can feel that our heart is in left side of our chest? Let me know in the comment section. You can easily, आप easily बता दोगे कि हमें क्यों लगता है कि हमारा हार्ट लेफ्ट साइड में है by seeing this picture. You can easily get to know. Let me know in the comment section, and I will also tell you. Basically guys, हार्ट जो है ना थोड़ा सा tilted होता है. You can see right over here, right? Our heart is little bit tilted towards the left, towards the left. Our heart is little bit tilted towards the left, so that's why we feel that it is in the left side of our heart. So basically guys, what is heart? So basically the heart is a muscular organ. Okay, and it works as a pump in the circulatory system. Okay, it is located in the where? In the middle of the chest and tilt it towards the left, right, and tilt it towards the left, and which is as big as our fist. Fist is in Hindi you can say मुट्ठी. हमारी मुट्ठी से जितना बड़ा होता है, हमारी मुट्ठी जितना बड़ा होता है. Okay, because both oxygen and carbon dioxide have to be transported by the blood, right? So the heart has different chambers, different chambers, right? We will learn about chambers later, but listen first that the heart is made up of cardiac muscles. Okay, in lower classes we have studied three types of muscles. In and जो थर्ड मसल है उससे हमारा हार्ट बना होता है, which is cardiac muscle. Okay, there are 4 chambers in our heart. How many chambers? There are 4 chambers in our heart. First is right atrium, which is this. Second is right ventricle, which is this. Third is left atrium, and last fourth one is left ventricle, right? So it means the upper 2 chambers are the atrium or atria, and the lower 2s are the ventricles, right? And see, right over here, a thin walled and 2 lower chambers are of thick walled. Means the right atrium is made up of, and left atrium, the both upper chambers are made up of thin walled, and the lower 2 chambers are made up of thick walled. Okay, and right and left side of the heart is separated, right? It is separated now by this wall, right? By this wall, right and left heart is separated. Why it is separated? Because from which it is separated? It is separated by septum. This is known as septum. Okay, or we can say a dividing wall. Okay, between the atria and the ventricles is an aperture which remains closed by the valves. Okay, so this is the valve. Okay, this is known as the valve, this two and this two. Okay, or this is a gate of the heart. Okay, the 2 gates of the heart. कि बैक पुश ना मारे हमारा ब्लड और बैक फ्लो ना करे, so valves prevent the backflow of the blood, and deoxygenated blood is separated from the oxygenated blood, right? Deoxygenated is divided from the oxygenated blood. Okay, to allow an efficient supply of oxygen to the body for high energy needs, as in birds or mammals, to maintain their body temperature, right? So basically what these are the these are the locations of our heart, ठीक है? And these arrows are used कि हमारा जो blood है कौन कहाँ से जा रहा है. Okay, the blue part is of deoxygenated blood, the red part is of oxygenated blood. And let me tell you, the largest artery in our body is aorta. Okay, the largest artery in our body is aorta. Okay, okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, so this is the diagram is of the schematic repetition of transport and exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, so basically what is in it? In this diagram, oxygen enters the blood in the lungs. Okay, let me tell you that in this, the separation of right side and the left side of the heart is usual to keep oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from mixing, right? Such separation allows the highly efficient supply of oxygen to the body. This is useful in animals that have high energy needs, right? Such as birds and mammals, which consistently use energy to maintain their body temperature. Basically, fishes have two chambers in their heart. Okay, blood is blood is oxygenated in the gills. Heart pumps the blood only once. Okay, and in amphibians and reptiles are जो चीजें रेंगती हैं, which animals crawls, example lizard or anything. So reptiles have three chambers in their heart. Okay, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood are not completely separated because the body temperature varies with the environment. Okay, so um uh, so this is the uh, oxygen enters in the blood in the lungs. Okay, in various animals. Okay, so basically क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे, ये हमारा हार्ट है, हार्ट से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड गया, ठीक है, डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आया, बेसिकली हार्ट में आया, हार्ट से गया लंग्स में, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड बन के आया, कहाँ पे, हार्ट में आ गया। अब हार्ट ने इसको यहाँ से जाके पूरी बॉडी में ट्रांसफर कर दिया। वेरी इजी, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, सो द ट्यूब्स, ब्लड वेसल्स, हमारी बॉडी में ट्यूब्स है ना, which are known as blood vessels, right? So basically there are three types of blood vessels in our body. Okay, first is arteries, second is veins, and the third is capillaries. Okay, so firstly let us study about the arteries. So basically guys, arteries carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. Understood? In Hindi let me tell you कि blood जो होता है, आर्टरी क्या करता है गाइस, ब्लड को कैरी करता है हार्ट से, लाइक ब्लड इज द ब्लड इज इन आर्टरी, जो हमारा ब्लड आर्टरी में, लेट मी टेल यू एन एग्जांपल। एक आर्टरी जो है हमारा एक रोड है, ROAD रोड, ठीक है, सड़क है एक, और उसमें जो रेड ब्लड सेल है वो एक बस है। ओके, तो हमारा क्या कर रहा है, ऑक्सीजनेटेड जो है, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड हमारा क्या है, पैसेंजर है, और वो कहाँ पे, बस स्टैंड पे रुका हुआ है, विच इज हार्ट। ओके, सो हमारा जो आर्टरी है, मतलब जो हमारी सड़क है, तो जो ब्लड है, जो कि बस है, वो बस तो सड़क पे ही चलेगी, राइट? तो ब्लड आर्टरीज में ही जा रहा है, ठीक है, और जो ब्लड है ना, वो जाके रुक गया हार्ट में, ठीक है, बस स्टैंड पे आ गया हार्ट में, वहां से वो पैसेंजर ले जाएगा और जगह जगह जाके दूसरे स्टेशन पे छोड़ देगा। पैसेंजर ले जाएगा मतलब ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड ले जाएगा और जगह जगह जाके छोड़ देगा। अब इतना सारा काम करेगा बस, तो सड़क भी तो अच्छी होनी चाहिए। अगर सड़क ही ऊबड़ खाबड़ होगी तो पैसेंजर्स क्यों जाएंगे, राइट? अब सड़क अच्छी होनी चाहिए, तो सड़क क्या होनी चाहिए? थिक होनी चाहिए। इट मीन्स arteries carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. It contains oxygenated blood and it is of thick walled. Okay. Now there is only one artery which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. एक ही आर्टरी है हमारी पूरी बॉडी में, which is known as pulmonary artery, जो कि क्या करती है? डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड ले जाती है लंग्स तक। ठीक है। वेन्स क्या करते हैं? हम व्हाट वेन्स डू? बेसिकली वेन्स कैरी ब्लड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स टू द हार्ट and it carries deoxygenated blood. It is of thin walled and there is only one vein which is known as pulmonary vein which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs. Basically arteries जितनी भी होती है वो oxygenated blood ले जाती है, veins सारे deoxygenated blood, but these two are the only one which do opposite. Okay. Now basically short forms. HB, H for horse, B for ball. HB is the sign of hemoglobin and Hg. Many people confuses in this because hemoglobin की spelling में H आता है और G आता है, G for goat वाला G. तो बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं H और G लिख कर आ देते हैं, but guys H और G is of mercury. Okay, so don't confuse in that. Okay, so basically now what is capillaries? So capillaries क्या करता है? Artery divided rapidly to form very thin walled cell vessels called capillaries. It is of one cell thicken. Okay, and exchange of materials between the blood and cells take place across this thin wall, which is capillary. Okay, and capillaries then join to form veins. Understood? Okay, so platelets, guys. So basically what is platelets? Any idea? Let me know in the comment section what is platelets. Okay, मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि platelets helps in the clotting of blood, right? But why we need clotting in our blood? बल्कि clotting तो अच्छी नहीं होती है, right? But sometimes clotting is very important. Basically जब हम आपकी बॉडी लीक करने लगती है, लीक इन द सेंस आपको चोट लग जाती है कहीं पे, सपोज आप खेल रहे थे, आप गिर गए, आपके नीज में घुटने में चोट लग गई, ब्लड जो है निकलेगा, राइट? ब्लड निकलेगा। अब इफ यू ऑब्जर्व कि अगर आपने कभी भी ऑब्जर्व किया है कि जब भी हमारे चोट लगती है तो कुछ कड़क कड़क सा पपड़ी टाइप हमारे उस जगह पे आके आ जाता है। कैसे आता है? दिस इज प्लेटलेट्स। जहां पर भी चोट लगती है, जहां पर भी टिश्यूज खुल गए और ब्लड जा रहा है, तो ब्लड को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए, सारा ब्लड निकल ना जाए, तो वो क्या करता है? खुद आके चिपक जाता है, लाइक दिस। हियर इन द इमेज यू कैन सी this purplish is the platelets. Okay, this and this is red here, circle red. This is the red blood cells. Okay, so platelets क्या कर रहे हैं? आ रहे हैं और कवर कर रहे हैं, और ये देखो ये ब्लड सेल्स जा रहे हैं, राइट? अब इसको जाके ये लोग बंद कर देंगे ताकि, और वहां पे इंसान को क्या लगेगा कि कुछ पपड़ी सा आ गया है, राइट? कुछ वॉल है जो कि ब्लड को रोक रहा है, राइट? सो it is a natural, it naturally, the loss of blood from our system has to be minimized, right? अगर हमें चोट लग जाएगी, प्लेटलेट्स नहीं होंगे तो ब्लड तो मिनिमाइज होगा, लीकेज would lead to a loss of blood pressure, right? Blood pressure low हो जाएगा, and reduce the efficiency of the pumping system also, right? So basically, what is platelets? The blood has platelets cells which circulate around the body and plug these leaks by helping a clot of blood at these points of injuries. ओके, सो यहाँ पर हमारा जो प्लेटलेट्स टॉपिक है वो भी कवर हो गया है, ब्लड वाला जो टॉपिक है वो भी कवर हो गया है. सो नाउ इट्स ओवर. नाउ बस अब हमारा एक छोटा सा टॉपिक बचा है विच इज एक्सक्रीशन, राइट? सो नाउ सिर्फ एक्सक्रीशन बचा है. We will do it in our next video. Okay, so now it's finished. Our transportation system is finished now. So questions for you guys. Okay, I want all these answer in the comment section. Okay, and जिसका भी मेरे को सबसे अच्छा आंसर लगेगा और जिसका सबसे पहले आंसर आएगा, I'll display it in the next video. Okay, so first question, guys. What would be the consequence of the deficiency of hemoglobin in our body? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Name the components of blood. Very, very easy. You can do it. Let me know in the comment section. Write down the functions of blood. Very easy. Let me know in the comment section. Which is the largest artery? अभी ही मैंने बताया which is the largest artery. Very easy. You can do it. Okay, come on guys, you can do it, and let me know in the comment section. So you can take the screenshot of this. I am waiting for some seconds. Okay, done. So thank you guys, thank you so much for seeing this video, and if you like the video, so please do subscribe and like and share this video, and don't forget to uh, press the bell icon also. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe this channel also. Okay.